I'm currently at the entrance of the house. So as you can see here, we are at the phase of demolition. So I'm going to show you around. What we are doing is some waterproofing work at the bottom of the facade here. We are going to dig all around this area. Here is the main entrance of the house. Here is the living area where we're keeping this nice fireplace. Of course, we're doing all the painting here. We are going to change the windows with nice wooden frame windows painted the same color as the walls. Potentially we're going to varnish these beams as well. This area will be a study. Same thing here, changing the windows. Nice view to the garden and the terrace area. We already have aircon here, but we're adding some more splits in the bedrooms. So here is the future new kitchen, which is going to be fully furnished and equipped. We also have a door here that leads to the main terrace. WC here, we're keeping the tiles on the floor and the walls. It's the original tiles. Here's a boiler room. We've got pipes for the underfloor heating. This is going to be a laundry room with a washing machine and dryer and a worktop. First bedroom, you're going to add some air conditioning here. Also have a nice view to the garden. First bathroom, all demolished at the moment. We've opened the access to the shower, which was quite narrow. So we are going to renovate it completely and changing the layout for this second bedroom. With the access to this shower was quite narrow as well. So we used a part of the wardrobe to add some space to the shower. Keeping the WC here, we're keeping the worktop as well. Second bedroom, so this is an ensuite bedroom here. We're just going to add some AC in this bedroom, leading to the garden as well. We've got a nice height in this bedroom. So this is the first master bedroom. Going to the first floor, keeping the tiles in the staircase as well. Third bedroom, I'm going to paint the doors to the wardrobes. This one has a little terrace. We're going to add some AC unit here as well. It's leading to this little terrace. We're going to add a rail here to protect, because this wall is quite low. So this is the biggest bathroom. We used to have a big bath area here. So we are going to add another bath, but not in the same dimension. The vanity unit will be against this wall, so we're changing a little bit of plumbing here. We are keeping the shower. The tiles are in really good condition and it's actually quite nice. New WC here with same floor that we're still keeping. And this is the fourth master bedroom. We're keeping the shower as well here. It's in really good condition. Polished concrete for the vanity with a shelf that's going to go under. So this is the biggest bedroom. It's more than 15 square meters, this one. It used to have a wardrobe here, but we are going to add another one, a nicer one. We are going to have AC as well in this bedroom. So main terrace here, we are just going to add a step, adding a gravel area here to create a lounge area, taking all this fence out. We're renovating this area as well. We're going to add a tree in the middle here. So all the facade will be painted. Terrace here will remain the same. We are going to renovate the grouting of the pool. Cutting all the trees at the bottom and getting all this area lower so we have a better view from the pool.